Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Did you know that losing strength in your legs after the age of 50 is not a natural part of growing older? Many people assume it's just aging, but in reality, it's a sign that your body is going through deeper changes that you should not ignore. Perhaps you've noticed that climbing stairs feels harder than before, your thighs appear slimmer, or standing up from a chair requires more effort. Maybe your balance just isn't what it used to be. If this sounds familiar, remember, you are not the only one, and none of this is your fault. What you are experiencing is a condition called sarcopenia, the gradual and progressive loss of muscle mass and strength as we age. If left unaddressed, sarcopenia doesn't just continue, it accelerates. It feeds on inactivity. Over time, weak muscles lead to poor balance, reduced mobility, higher risk of falls and fractures, and ultimately, a loss of independence. But here is the truth almost no one shares: muscle loss after 50 is not irreversible. You can rebuild strength. And the best part? You don't need a gym membership, heavy weights, or expensive machines to do it. In this video, I will guide you through 3 powerful, safe exercises specially designed for adults over 50 to help you rebuild leg strength, improve balance, and regain mobility, all from the comfort of your home. No strain on the joints, no complex movements, and zero equipment needed. If you're tired of feeling weak, unsteady, or unsure on your feet, and you're ready to bring back your strength, confidence, and independence, then stay with me. This routine could truly change the track of your life. Exercise 1. Body weight squat. Around age 50, many people begin noticing subtle but impactful changes. Walking uphill feels harder, getting up from the sofa takes more effort, and legs that once felt strong now feel shaky. Many assume this is aging, but it is actually early sarcopenia targeting key muscles, your glutes and quadriceps, essential for standing, walking, balance, and stability. The body weight squat is a powerful tool to fight this decline. It activates major muscles without stressing the joints, making it safe even if you have mild knee or hip discomfort. Squats rebuild leg strength, improve posture, boost balance, and support independence in daily activities. Scientific studies prove the value of squats for older adults. Research in senior fitness journals shows that performing squats regularly increases leg strength, improves balance, and helps older adults stand up, walk, and climb stairs with greater ease. Some studies report an 8% increase in muscle mass and up to 30% improvement in standing ability after just 12 weeks of practice. How to do it? Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Keep your back straight and core tight. Bend your hips and knees like sitting in a chair. Keep weight in your heels and knees aligned. Rise slowly by squeezing your glutes. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, 3 times per week. Use a chair behind you if you're just starting. Touch and rise for support and confidence. Exercise 2. Standing heel raises. Heel raises may look simple, but they train one of the most neglected yet critical muscle groups for seniors, the calves, especially the soleus muscle. These muscles act as a pump for blood circulation, support your ankles, control balance, and help you walk safely. After 50, calf muscles shrink rapidly if not trained, increasing fall risk up to 3 times, according to mobility research. Weak calves also lead to tired legs, swollen ankles, and unsteady steps. Heel raises restore stability, improve circulation, and enhance posture by strengthening the lower leg and ankle joint. How to do it? Stand with feet hip width apart. Hold onto a wall or chair for balance. Lift your heels slowly and rise high. Hold 2 seconds. Lower slowly with control. Begin with 2 to 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, 3 times per week. As you improve, try single leg heel raises or do a few repetitions without support to challenge balance. Results often show within 4 weeks, better stability, less fatigue, and more confidence when walking. Exercise 3. Step-ups. The step-up mimics one of the most essential life movements, climbing steps. When this becomes difficult, it's a clear sign of declining leg strength, balance, and neuromuscular coordination. This exercise trains the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, calves, and core. It also develops single leg strength and stability, making it extremely effective for fall prevention. Studies show seniors who perform step-ups regularly improve mobility, walking speed, balance, and daily functioning, reducing fall risk significantly. How to do it? Use a sturdy platform 15 to 30 centimeters high. Step up with one foot. Press through the heel. Bring the other foot up. Step down carefully. Alternate legs. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Increase height slowly or hold a light backpack as you get stronger. If balance is hard at first, lightly touch a support or begin with partial step-ups. Why this routine works. After 50, the body loses muscle and strength if not stimulated. But consistent, low-impact bodyweight exercises stimulate muscle protein synthesis, build bone density, improve hormone response for muscle growth, and restore neuromuscular function. You don't need hours of training or expensive equipment. 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a meaningful difference. The goal isn't intensity, it's consistency, control, and proper technique. Follow this routine daily for at least 4 weeks, starting small and gradually increasing repetitions. Seniors who follow simple routines like this can reduce fall risk by over 30%. What changes you will notice? Climbing stairs becomes easier. Standing up feels smoother. Walking feels more stable. Less fear of falling. Improved posture and confidence. Greater independence and energy. Strength is not just physical, it builds emotional confidence. Every squat, every step up, every heel raise is a step toward regaining your independence, dignity, and vitality. You are not too old to get stronger. Your muscles are waiting to be activated again. If this video inspired you or gave you hope, tap the like button. It encourages us to create more helpful content. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss routines designed specially for mature adults improving strength and mobility. And if you've made it to this point and you're committed to your journey, comment below. Strong legs after 50. Let's rebuild strength, health, and confidence together. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.